The Quran is the central religious text of Islam, believed by Muslims to be the literal word of God, as revealed to the Prophet Muhammad over 23 years. Its verses were first memorized and recited, then meticulously compiled into a single book after the Prophet's passing. The Quran's language, classical Arabic, is renowned for its unparalleled eloquence, rhythm, and depth, challenging even the greatest poets of its era. Its 114 chapters, or surahs, cover themes of faith, law, morality, science, and the mysteries of existence. The Quran has inspired centuries of calligraphy, illuminated manuscripts, and recitation traditions, and is the most memorized book in the world, with millions known as Hafiz, who can recite it from memory. Today it has been translated into over 100 languages, yet Muslims everywhere recite it in Arabic, preserving its original sound and meaning. The Quran shapes daily life, guiding prayers, ethics, and community, and continues to influence art, science, and culture across the globe. From the intricate artistry of its script to the profound devotion of those who recite and memorize it, the Quran stands as a living miracle, bridging centuries, continents, and cultures. Its verses echo in mosques, homes, and hearts, offering spiritual guidance, intellectual challenge, and a sense of unity to over 1 billion people worldwide. Have you ever gazed up at the night sky, speckled with countless stars, and wondered about the very beginning? Have you ever wondered how the universe began? It's a question that has captivated humanity for millennia, explored through myth, philosophy, and of course, science. Not just the Big Bang or scientific theories, but at its deepest, most profound level. What actually set everything into motion? What was the catalyst, the initial spark that ignited the cosmos? In the Quran, divine speech is more than words. It's the very origin of existence. It's presented not merely as a means of communication, but as the fundamental force behind creation itself. Listen to this verse from Surah Yasin, chapter 36, verse 82. Inama amruhu ida arada shay'an and yakulallahu kun fayakun. Arabic. This is a powerful declaration, a glimpse into the divine mechanism of creation. His command, when he wills a thing, is only that he says to it, be, and it is. The simplicity and immediacy of this statement are striking. The Quran repeats this concept, creation by divine utterance, in Surah Al-Baqarah 2, 117, and Surah An-Nahl 16:40. These verses reinforce the idea that creation is not a random event, but a deliberate act initiated by divine command. Always it's the command, the word, that ripples out, shaping reality. It's a concept that invites us to consider the nature of reality itself. But what does that really mean? How can a word, a command, bring something into existence? Across centuries, scholars and mystics have pondered this. They have delved into the deeper meanings of these verses, seeking to understand the relationship between the divine and the created world. Some see be, kun, not just as a metaphor, but as a vibrational reality, a fundamental frequency that permeates all of existence. Imagine the Creator's word as a wave of resonance, moving through the void, forming atoms, stars, and galaxies. A symphony of creation orchestrated by a single divine command. This idea isn't so far from modern physics. In fact, some of the most groundbreaking discoveries in physics seem to echo this ancient concept. In quantum theory, everything is energy. All matter, all existence, is ultimately composed of energy fields. At the smallest scale, matter is vibration, waves, frequencies, sound. It's a dance of energy, a constant state of flux and vibration. The universe is formed by patterns, resonances, and fields. These patterns and resonances dictate the structure and behavior of everything from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies. Think of how sound waves can move sand into sacred geometries, or how frequencies can shape water into intricate patterns. This is the science of cymatics, a visual representation of how sound and vibration can create form. What if, in a grand cosmic sense, the divine utterance is the ultimate frequency, spreading through existence, giving shape to the seen and unseen? A frequency so powerful, so fundamental, that it continues to shape the universe to this very day. So I invite you to listen, not just with your ears, but with your mind and spirit. Open yourself to the possibility that the universe is not just a collection of matter and energy, but a symphony of divine creation. Each verse in the Quran is more than text. It's a vibration, a call to deeper understanding. a call to recognize the divine presence in every aspect of creation. The language, the sound, the command, it's all connected, echoing through creation. It's a reminder that we are all part of something larger than ourselves, interconnected through the divine word. Maybe, just maybe, the universe is still resonating with that original command. The Big Bang wasn't just an explosion, but the initial vibration of creation, still echoing across the cosmos. The divine speech, the word be, still reverberates, shaping everything, including you and me. So let us listen to the echoes of creation and contemplate the profound meaning of the divine word.